Hey Taurus, welcome to Spiritually Gifted Healing Tarot, where I am Gigi. If you are returning, welcome back. If you are new, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you're already subscribed, I ask that you please like and share with others, especially if it resonates. Please leave a comment below for what it is that you think of the reading or whatever. Just say hi, whatever. I'm going to jump right on in. So the two oracle decks that I'm using is Numerology Guidance Oracle cards and The Universe Has Your Back, as well as the original Greater Weight Tarot deck. I'm also implementing my meditation cards, so I will be pulling at the end for either an affirmation or a quote to meditate on for the week of October 20th through 27th. So guys, let's jump right on in. For the first card, we have number 74, Nature. So I feel as though as your heart chakra is being worked on. We also got this card for the collective. So I feel as though, Taurus, you guys should go watch the collective reading as well so that you can get whatever it is that you need from that. Okay, so 74 equals master number 11. You could have also been seeing a lot of 9s because up under the deck you have compassion, 99, okay? And up under that is spirituality, 77. Wow. So you guys could be working on your crown chakra as well, or need to by going out in nature, connecting with the divine, okay? That's all that I'm picking up from that. So the next card is Universe Has My Back. I honor how I want to feel. I honor how I want to feel. What it is with this card that I feel is that you could have been dealing with the dark night of the soul and you're coming up out of that. Things around you could have been going like astray. And, you know, you might have felt like, you know, the top flew off, you know, the lid flew off and you just couldn't handle it. But you're coming back into yourself. You're loving yourself. You're loving your surroundings, or you will come to love your surroundings depending on what it is going on around you, right? So up under the deck, we have when I lean on faith of the universe, peace becomes real. So I feel like you've been gaining more faith in what the universe has for you, what spirit has for you, what your higher power, your God has for you, okay? I'm jumping into tarot right now. You may have feel like you had a missed opportunity, or you may be feeling bored or regretful at this moment. You have the Four of Cups, okay? So what I feel like is this is the overall energy. I feel as though you need to stop looking at all of the negative things that have been going on around you and focus on what it is that you can do in this present moment to bring this opportunity completely into you, okay? Up under the deck, you have the Devil card. So it could have been something that you were bounded to, maybe an addiction of some sort that you need to release. And in order to release it, you have to stop focusing mentally and emotionally or physically on it, and stand in the present moment so that you can pull this in, okay? So in the past, it's some sort of relationship of some sort. You have the Hierophant here, some relationship of some sort that could, a marriage or something that could be the key, as I see two keys crossing here. It could be the key to what it is that you are trying to gain. I feel like it's very solid and grounded, Taurus, okay? This is, also a Taurus card, okay? And the new number is 5 at the top, if you see that. So the past, you know, is changing. It's changing, and it's changing for the better. Okay, so you definitely are coming out of dark night of the soul, or going back into it, depending on how you handle these things. So you have the Four of Wands, which is stability, okay? So at the present moment, you're either looking to be stable or you're just gaining that footing of being stable. Why it's all happening is the Empress card. So it could be happening because you may have found out that you were pregnant, or it could be that you are birthing a new creation of some sort. Could be a project, could be a job, could be some sort of creativity, okay? But that's why it's bringing in the stability at the present moment. Okay? It could be someone who is like a motherly figure to you, or Virgo. That's either helping you become more stable, something of that sort. This is a general reading, so yeah. Let me clarify this. Spirit, why is the Empress card here? Can I please have one card for the Empress? Why is the Empress card here? Clarify the Empress card for me, Spirit. Why is the Empress card here? So you got the Knight of Wands, which is, yeah, some sort of passion. So it could definitely be either a child or a creative endeavor, okay? So you got the Four of Swords up under the deck, which is talking about rest, rejuvenation. I feel as though you may have taken a rest to rejuvenate, to bring in more ideas, to gain that passion for your ideas again, okay? So Spirit's advice is the Knight of Pentacles. So whatever it is that you are seeking to come in, whether it's emotions, finances, or possessions, it most definitely is coming in towards you. I see the black horse as some sort of protection. So the reason why it's coming so slowly is because you are being protected, and it is being protected so that it can definitely help you in the way that you need. So Spirit, why is the Knight of Pentacles here? Can I have one card to clarify the Knight of Pentacles? Why is the Knight of Pentacles here, Spirit? One card to clarify the Knight of Pentacles. Why is the Knight of Pentacles here, Spirit? Can I please have? Ooh. Sorry, guys. Can I please have one card clarify the Knight of Pentacles? Why is the Knight of Pentacles here? You got the Three of Cups. So whatever it is coming in is bringing some sort of celebration, okay? Probably with the girls, who knows? Or fellas, you know. So yeah, some sort of celebration, because it's definitely coming in. Something you've been waiting on. So you got the King of Swords up under the deck. Stand on your truth. Be authentic with who it is that you are, because that's what's really going to bring it in a little quicker, Spirit is telling me. So the potential outcome is the Tower card. What I feel like, I don't feel like this is a bad thing within this reading. I feel like this Tower card is here because whatever it is that you built in the past is pretty much crumbling down, or needs to come down so that it can be rebuilt again, in order to be more concrete, if you get what I'm saying. You know, whether it's a relationship or a marriage, or just your inner self, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel as though you need to be more stable, like it's saying, in the present moment. And in order to do that, you know, the potential outcome after gaining what it is that you want, you have to make sure that everything is built on a solid ground, that the foundation is there, you know what I'm saying? So it can serve you the good that it is supposed to. You can definitely change that energy up so that it won't be a tower ahead of time, guys, okay? So that's the message that I have for you, Taurus. I'm going to pull a meditation card, something for you to meditate on. Spirit, I ask that you please give me one accurate card for Taurus and what it is that they should meditate on for the week of October the 20th through the 27th. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. One accurate card, Spirit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, So what you need to meditate on, Taurus, is quotes. Okay, you're the first quote that I've had so far. So it says, when you check your own mind properly, you stop blaming others for your problems. You recognize that your mistaken actions come from your own defiled, deluded mind. Let me run that back one more again. When you check your own mind properly, you stop blaming others for your problems. You recognize that your mistaken actions come from your own defiled, deluded mind. So it's not what's outside of you that's going on. You can't blame what's on outside. You have to look from within and ask yourself, why am I seeing things the way that it's playing out? Is because what's on the inside of you, what your thought process is. So I feel as though that's why I pulled the that's why the Four of Swords was up under the deck when I clarified why it's all happening. Is because that I think that was you guys, right? Maybe I'm speaking too soon. It probably wasn't you guys. I'm sorry. That probably was somebody else's reading. But again, I don't know why the Four of Swords came out, but it could have been in another reading. I don't remember just that fast. But sorry, guys. But I feel as though you need to change your thinking. I honor how I want to feel. So, you are in control of your thought process. You're in control of your emotions. And your thought process and your emotions is what, what creates your vision on the outside of you. So whatever is going on the outside of you is a reflection of what's on the inside of you. So I feel as though that quote, when you check your own mind properly, healing, you stop blaming others for your problems, going out into nature in order to gain the clarity it is that you need. You ground yourself a little more, Taurus. Okay, so I hope the message resonated. Again, please leave a like, share, subscribe, or comment. All right, guys, have a great day.